Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make another Tkinter application. So this application would be sending an email to a person so that would wish something. So if it's a birthday, it would be wishing a birthday. If there is any other special day, so it would be wishing that. So let me just show you that application. So this is the UI of this typical application. So I would have logged in with my email ID and password. So it is showing that logged in successfully. So once you make this application, I will tell you that how to set up email ID and password here. So if the credentials are true, you will be able to see this successful message that you will say that the login credential are matched and you are able to log in successfully. So let's say on date 14th October, there is a birthday of one person. So let me just write a person's name. So I would just say, let's say Maitri. And I would say there is her birthday. So on 14th of October, there is a birthday. And I would just create a wish here. So I would just say add a wish. But before adding a wish, I just need to write her email ID. So I would just write that maitri.kadia@gmail.com. And I would just click on add a wish. So once you add a wish, so that will be added to your table. So this table would remember that. So there is a girl named Maitri whose email ID is this, and we need to wish a birthday on 14th October. So whenever there is a 14th October, this application would send an email to that person with this email ID. So we have option to select either birthday or marriage anniversary or an engagement anniversary. But let's say we have a special type of wish that you want to wish, so that we can also do. So let me just go to this guy. So let me just go to maybe May month. So there is a guy named Ronak and his engagement anniversary is on 5th of May. So I would like to wish him. So I would just mark here Ronak engagement anniversary, and here I would write his email. So I would just say ronak.patel@yahoo.com, and I would just click on add a wish. So as I can see, the two wishes are added. Let me just add one more wish. So I would just say that a girl named Suchitra, and his email ID is suchitra.gohel@gmail.com. And she doesn't have birthday or marriage anniversary or engagement anniversary, but I want to wish a special wish to her. So I would just say her happy Teddy Day, right? And I would like to wish her on okay, sorry, year can be anything. I would like to wish her this day on 10th of February. So let me just add a wish. So as you can see, 3 wishes are added here. So now I will close this application to show you that even if you close this application and open it again, still the data would be saved here. So I'm just closing this application. So if you open the application, you would see that there is a data which we had already set. Now let's just test this functionality. So I would like to wish myself today only, so that I would get a mail and I can verify whether this functionality is working or not. I want to wish myself, so Rohit, and I would just say my marriage anniversary is on this date, 26th March, and I would email me as rohit.eceng@gmail.com, and I would just like to add a wish. So I have added a wish now. So 26 is indeed a today's date. So it would wish me a happy marriage anniversary. So here I can see it has wished Rohit a happy marriage anniversary. And let me just check my mail and verify whether I got this email or not. So here, this is my Gmail, and I can see here I got a wish from someone. It is saying marriage anniversary. And here I can say happy marriage anniversary Rohit. We have just verified that our application is able to send any message to a person. Now if let's say a person has wished it, we can also delete this wish. So let me just delete this wish, and if you want to delete this wish also, you can delete this wish. And if you close this application, and now if I open it again, so we should be seeing that only 2 wish should be in that table, because 2 of them we have already deleted. So now I can see only 2 wish. And now there is a one way of adding a data here, but let's say if I don't want to open this application and still want to add a data here, so how can I do that? So for that, I'm maintaining one Excel sheet, or I would say a CSV file. There I'm adding a data. From there also we can add it. So let me just show you. So right now I'm closing this application. So this is the Excel file that I am reading in that application, what I have just shown you. So here let me add one more wish. So I would just say, let me say Jigisha, and I would like to wish her let me just first write her email name. So I would just say chigisha@gmail.com, and I would like to wish her happy birthday. So I would just write here, let's say birthday only, and here I would mention a date. So I would like to wish her happy birthday, let's say in September 14, right? So let me just save this file and close this. Now let me open my application one more time. So I should be able to see that data. That means third wish, whatever I added just now in Excel sheet should be appear here. So here I can see the third wish which I added in Excel is also present in this table. So I can see that. So this is how this application would work. So we can go to any month or any year and we can also wish it. And for which we don't need to go to a year because we would like to wish to every single year, right? So we are going to make this wish application from the next videos.